Welcome to Gripo Flow, the future of automation at your fingertips. Gripo Flow is your all-in-one workflow automation platform where you can automate anything you can imagine, from cloud operations to business processes, from DevOps pipelines to security operations, and from routine tasks to AI-powered applications. Connect your tools, build smart flows, and let automation do the work. In this video, we will show you how to create a workflow that automatically starts and stops your Azure Kubernetes clusters, saving you thousands of dollars by powering down development environments when they are not in use. It's fast, it's powerful, and it's just one of thousands of automations you can create with Gripo Flow. Designed to make your business smarter, faster, and more efficient, Gripo Flow automate everything intelligently. From the main menu, click on Workflow. You will see a list of all existing workflows. Now click Create Workflow to make a new one. Enter a name, for example, Start and Stop Azure Cluster. Add a short description. Choose the type on demand or on schedule. Set retry limits and tags if needed, then click Next. You can add variables for reuse across multiple steps. If you don't need any variable, click Skip Variables, then save and continue. A confirmation pop-up appears. Your workflow is now created. With parallel path, you can execute more than one operation in parallel. Instead of waiting step by step, this is perfect for Azure tasks like starting and stopping several services together. For this, click on plus button. Choose Core. Select Parallel Path and click Add to create a new branch. In the first branch, we will set up the Start Cluster action. A form will appear. Click Add. Give the branch a name and enable cron schedule. Set your cron schedule, for example, schedule the start at any time you want, and then click Add. Next, we will add another branch to stop the cluster in the evening. Click Add again. Give the branch name. Set the schedule for the specific time you want it to automatically stop the cluster and save cost. Click Add. You can see branches are added in Workflow, which means you can perform more than one action in a same workflow. Now add an Azure Managed Kubernetes activity in first branch. Click on plus. Select the Azure Managed Kubernetes. From the action list, select Start Cluster. Provide the following: connection reference, resource group, and cluster name. Click Submit to save the Start Cluster action. Next, we will add Stop the Cluster action to the second branch. Select Azure Managed Kubernetes, then choose Stop Cluster. Fill in the same details: connection reference, resource group, and finally cluster name. Click Submit to save. Azure Start and Stop action are added in Workflow. To stay informed, let's add a Slack notification after each action. Click plus, select Slack, and choose Slack message as the action. Type your message like Start Azure Cluster. Select your Slack connection reference and choose the channel. Same goes with the stop action. Click on plus, select Slack and choose Slack message as the action. Type your message like Stop Azure Cluster. Slack is added. Click Save and run. A pop-up confirms your workflow is running successfully. You can also view live logs as each action executes. And soon you will receive a Slack message whenever your cluster starts or stops. And that's it. You have just built an automated Azure start and stop workflow in Gripo Flow. Simple, efficient, and powerful. With Gripo Flow, automation becomes effortless, saving time, reducing costs, and letting your teams focus on innovation. Thanks for watching Gripo.